if 49x square minus b is equal to 7x plus half in one bracket multiplied by 7x minus half another bracket, then the value of b is what? Don't get scared, it is easy. Let us solve this. In fact, a very easy question. See, we are given that 49x square minus b is equal to 7x plus 1 by 2 into 7x minus 1 by 2. Do you see any identity application anywhere? On the left hand side, 49x square minus b. So we have a square only in one term. Yes, there is 49 whose root could be 7. But again, the second term b is not helping us in any way. So let's check the right hand side. We have 7x in both the terms and 1 by 2 as well. But here we have plus sign and here we have the minus sign. Look at it closely. It resembles an identity a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? It is a square minus b square. So, if we use this same identity on the right hand side, we get here a is 7x and b is 1 by 2. So, a square, that is 7x square, then we have minus sign, and b square, b is 1 by 2 square, which is equal to 7x square, that is 7 into 7 into x gives us 49x square minus 1 by 2 square gives us 1 by 4. Now, if you look at it on the left hand side, we have 49x square minus b. Both the expressions are equal, it is given. Here 49x square, here also we have 49x square. We have the symbol as minus, we have the symbol as minus. We have b over here and we have 1 by 4 over here, which means because of this equal to sign, which says that both LHS and RHS are equal, can happen only when the value of b is equal to 1 by 4, and that is our answer. So you see, just remember the identities, use it, and you have the solution. In such type of questions, you have to equate left hand side to right hand side. Compare the similar terms. Wherever you find odd one out, that is what equates. Like here, everything else on left hand side and right hand side are equal except b and 1 by 4. And since these expressions are equal, b has to be 1 by 4. And that is the answer. That is how we solve it. Just start doing it. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.